Hi there, everybody. This is Samantha from the law offices of Samantha Wolfe. And the next question in our What If series is what if I want to get rid of a bypass trust? So, in one of the previous videos, I talked about what a bypass trust is. And in this video, I want to talk about why you would want to get rid of it. So, the first way that you can get rid of a bypass trust is typically created under your will to do some tax planning. And if there's no longer a need for it, you can get rid of it by just executing a new last will and testament that doesn't include the bypass trust. That would be the easiest way to get rid of it. However, if husband and wife had created under their will and husband or wife, whichever one has passed away, and the bypass trust was used as part of the planning, then the question becomes, can I get rid of the bypass trust now after one of the spouses has died? And the answer to that is yes, you can still get rid of a bypass trust even after one spouse dies. The unfortunate thing in Pennsylvania, though, is if the grantor is no longer living and the beneficiary, for example, the spouse, wants to modify the trust or terminate it, it would require court approval if the grantor has already passed away. So an example is if we have husband and wife, husband created a bypass trust in his will, he's died, and the assets went in trust to wife. The only way to terminate the trust would be to petition the court and request the termination. And then the assets would be distributed according to the terms of the trust when the bypass trust is terminated. So that would be one way that you could do it. If, in our example, if the bypass trust was created in a revocable living trust, not through a will, and the husband was still alive, he can always agree to either revoke it or to terminate a bypass trust if the grantor or the husband would be willing to do that. So those would be two ways that you can get rid of it, either re-execute or execute a new will and get rid of it under that. Or if you already have a bypass trust, you can get rid of it by petitioning the court and requesting the termination of the trust. If you have any questions or you need me to review a trust and tell you what your options are, you're welcome to call us at 717-655-2676, and I'd be happy to talk to you.